there, Go family. Dada Go, you look like you're training for something.
Just training to be the fittest Dada Go I can be.
Dada was wondering if he could use your exercise machines Mama make.
If you don't mind.
Of course. You're welcome to try them. We'll open up the workshop right now.
Oh, this is great. I'm just itching to give myself a fitness boost.
Everybody's gathered in the Make's workshop to try out the machines. Dada Make is here too.
Hello, Dada Go. I hear you're ready for a workout.
Oh, yes. Ooh, what's this?
This is a rowing machine. You pull on these handles and move your body back and forth. Like so.
Rowing is great exercise.
Give it a try, Dada Go.
This control panel has over 500 settings that act like real water. Just choose one you like and get rowing.
How about this one? I think it's stuck. Just a little harder. I think it's stuck. Oh!
Ooh, that's not how Mama Make did it.
That shouldn't be happening. We'd better see what's wrong.
Is it broken?
Dada Go just set it to frozen ocean by mistake. That's the toughest setting of them all.
Maybe you should try something with less buttons, Dada Go.
Yes, less buttons. Aha! A treadmill. That's perfect.
This treadmill fits 2 runners, and it's voice activated. Just tell it to start, and it starts.
Start.
This is fun, like running around in the park.
And it's faster than rowing.
Faster.
Huh? Why is it going faster?
Faster.
Ah!
We'll save you, Dada. Whatever you do,
Don't say that word, Maya.
What word, Dada?
Faster.
Faster.
Ah!
Quick! Pull the emergency lever.
Wait.
Ah!
Are you all right, Dada Go?
Yes, but I might need to build up fitness before I do more running.
I've got the perfect machine for that, Dada Go.
What is it?
I call it the Shaker Sizer. This plate vibrates your muscles all at once, so you can exercise without even moving.
Without moving, you say?
I'll show you. Maya, you can help. Just step onto the plate.
This one is nice and easy, Dada Go. You'll definitely like this.
All right. Here I go.
Careful of those controls, Dada Go.
Oh, no. Ah!
Maya go every day. Maya go laugh and play. Maya go, what do we say? Maya